How to create custom paper size in any Epson printer. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create custom paper size in any Epson printer. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device. So go to the settings, and once you're here, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, head towards Bluetooth and devices. So there you have an option for printers and scanners. Click on it. So under this top section, you will find all of your printer. From there, you have to select your Epson printer. So click on Epson printer if it is available here. Now you have to go to this option that says printing preferences. Click on advanced and under the paper slice, click on this drop down. From this available option, if you have selected your Epson printer, at the very end, you will find an option as user defined. So you have to select user defined. After that, you will have an option to select the height and width for your paper. And once you have added your custom height and width, you have your custom size or custom paper size on your Epson printer. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.